Alright, y'all, so we back with the C10. Let's get down up under here. If you can see, we got a nice, fresh, wet spots. That's like probably the biggest spot. And then there is a couple spots right there. I don't think this is gonna work. I don't think it is. Let's see though. Let's see. Alright, hold on. We might got some. Alright, so you can see there, that's where leak is. We got our light right here, pin light. Probably not gonna focus too close. Yeah, we got a pin light. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. Pin lights. Alright, so turn the pin light on. Bro, what the fuck? I was gonna say. Alright, so there goes UV light. You can see that. So I'm gonna try to shine it in these spots and see if I can detect the leak or detect the dye on the ground. I guess we should have probably like looked at some before so we would know what we was looking for. Let me go around to the other side. Hi, under the truck, got my little UV light. Maybe I'm supposed to have them glasses. Yeah, let me go put them glasses. Maybe they was there for a reason. Maybe, just maybe. Supposed to be green though, right? Oh yeah. I see it now. It's everywhere. It's everywhere, y'all. It's everywhere, y'all. It's everywhere. Alright, so I see it right here on the bolts. I see it all along the pin. See it towards the back of the pin. I do not see any around this circular thing on the back of the 350. Oddly enough, I don't see any back here. Like I see a little bit on the drive shaft, but on the yoke, but other than the yoke, I don't see it anywhere else. Which kind of begs the question, how in the hell we get back there? But yeah, I see it green. lighting up all around the edge of the pan. Looks like it's definitely some around this shifter here. So I don't know if that's the source of it. Looks like there's even some right here on the engine. I don't know how to see that. See? See how it turns green? So, also some right here along up around the oil filter, which is odd. Very, very odd. Not sure why it would be around the oil filter, because we put it in the transmission fluid. However, it does look dry up in the front pump area. But there is this green residue all the way around. All the way around. So, I don't know. I guess it brings me to question, is it the actual gasket on the pan that is leaking? Or what? Like I said, I do see a little bit around the shifter linkage. I know that there's a gasket there. I know there's, yeah, see this all along the boat. It's all on that boat. That's green. That's green. So, yeah, I'm kind of damn near back to square one. I mean, I know where it's not leaking from, but I'm still not 100% sure where it is leaking from. Let's see. Let me look up higher, because that's going to tell us if it started higher and then ran down, or are we in the right area around the pan and that shifter thing there. Alright, so I can bring it back now. So if you look up in there, I think it's pretty safe to say it's dry. No lime green is going on there. It's just around the pan. Hopefully you can see that. So see, right there, lime green. Maybe the camera picking it up, maybe it's not, but it's right there. Should be able to see it right there. So I think the culprit is the pan gasket. I know I haven't changed it probably since forever. So I will pick up a gasket from the local O'Reilly's, and yeah, we'll get this switched out and go from there. Leaks can be a headache, but yeah, we're gonna get it figured out. The only thing I don't really have an answer for is How the hell? How the hell did it get over here? Up by the oil. I don't know if y'all can see that. Probably not. How the hell did it get up there? You know what I'm saying? How sway? How did it get up here? How? So, I guess one thing at a time. Cause the gasket, I mean the pan is back here. We got leaking. But like I said, we also got some right here. See the lime green? And then possibly some other places. So y'all chime in, man. Let me know part 2 of the UV leak detection. Does it work? Yes. Will you still kind of be lost? Possibly.